Hey everybody, welcome back to Aunt Monica's Attic. Happy to have you here today. Guess what? We haven't done an unboxing in a really long time, so I thought you might like to unpack a box with me. Let's make some space on this table. Whew. So hard to do that. All right, we have the utility knife. Let's open the box and see what's in here. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity. Oh, I love opening these boxes. All right, let's turn so I can talk to you while I'm opening the box. And let's see what's in here. It is it's a box full of boxes and a box full of paper. So clearly we don't need all of this paper. Well, you know, we could take this and we could iron it out and it would be all flat again, and then after we did that, we could use this for craft paper and make some projects, so we might do that later. No point in wasting all of that good paper. Box number one, let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in the box. This is a brand new product. We have not had this in the store before. These are called Chonky Hamsters. They come in, there's 3 different colors. Oh, they feel really nice. Look at this, look at this. Chunky hamsters. And give them a little squeeze. Look at that. So squishy, so squeezy, so cuddly, so fun. They're actually super cute. Wouldn't those look cute on your desk? Oh, tiny. You can fit them in your backpack, take them with you wherever you go. We have some chunky hamsters to get out onto the shelf. Let's see what else is in this box. Some more paper. Okay, another box. Let's get this one open. It's kind of fun when we get to open all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know you're gonna like this because you've asked me to get these back. Kazoos. They come in red or blue Kazoos. Back in stock. So if you want to play some music, that's the thing for you. We also got in, we've had these before, but they are really, really awesome. They are by Tiger Tribe. They are make your own magic wand kits. They come with everything you need to make 3 magic wands. So it would be great for if you're getting together with a couple of friends and you want to do a project, or if you just can't decide what your style is and you need more than 1 magic wand, you know, a wand for every occasion. The magic wand kits are perfect for that. Let's get another box, another box, another box. All right, let's see what's in this box. Oh my gosh, it is a box of NeeDohs. I know you all love the NeeDoh. This is brand new style. We've never had this in the store before. Look at this. Rainbow NeeDoh. So there are 6 teeny tiny squishy little NeeDohs in here in a cute little rainbow box, and the box has a little handle so you can carry it around with you. This would make a great little birthday present or little gift for somebody, a little thank you gift. This would be really fun for a resource teacher if you need to give them a gift, or you know what, if you get a really good gift for yourself. Look at that. Rainbow NeeDoh. Squishy, teeny, groovy globs. Let's set that aside. See what else we have in here. All right, another box. See what's in this one. Okay, wait. Oh, I'm having troubles. Troubles opening the box. Sometimes that happens. Oh, well that was easy. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is some more NeeDoh. This one is, oh, we've had these before, but they're awesome, so you'll like these. They are if you remember having these in here before. Oh, this is so complicated. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so we've had these before. You all love them, so we brought them back. They are the NeeDoh Dohjee. They are little blind bag NeeDoh characters. So each one of these boxes has a character in it. You don't know which character's inside, so that's a surprise, but they're all really cute and adorable. And if you are collecting these, we're restocked and you can try to get the ones you're missing. NeeDoh Dohjees. Very fun. I have some more stuff. Okay, this is the last thing in this box, so let's see what it is. Let's see. Oh, I think I opened this box upside down. Usually, if I do it upside down, we have troubles. Let's see what happens here this time. Oh my gosh. A lot of grunting going on just to open a box. It's ridiculous. All right. Oh, we've had these before too. And again, you wanted them back, so we got some in. These are really great for party favors, great for stocking stuffers, all that kind of fun stuff. They're a blind bag, come in a few different colors, 1, 2, 3 different colors. And what they are, this little blind bag, they are seashell, and inside the seashell is a bracelet, and you don't know which bracelet you're going to get. But the cool thing about this is you dissolve the shell, and one side of the shell will totally dissolve, the other side of the shell will stay solid, and that will be your little container where you can keep your bracelet after you find out which one it is. Okay, we're going to get all of this stuff out onto our shelf, onto our website, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.